Today is June 7th, and oh boy, do we have a lot of data to show you. We are at the peak of this triangle pattern here, and at the same time, we're seeing a breakout zone reading. Most often, this shows massive moves in a certain direction is coming, and right now, with the price versus well money flow and trades in favor showing bearish, why is it that we could still see significant moves up? Let's find out. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. As of today, we are 200 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades in the last 15 months. Members, brand new future forecast out for you to check. Bitcoin's parabolic phase beginning, an in-depth analysis. The data I will present today indicates that Bitcoin is poised to enter its parabolic phase. Among the various charts I am monitoring, only 2 present potential concerns regarding the anticipated strength of this phase. All other indicators remain highly bullish. Travis, the founder of Trade Confident, will unpack the implications of interest rate reductions by countries such as Canada and the European Central Bank and their potential effects on the cryptocurrency market. Additionally, we will examine the M1 money supply and its effect on Bitcoin and how this metric has signaled the start of past parabolic phases. Some of you may want to take action based on this analysis, so pay close attention. Guys, you do not want to miss this future forecast episode. It is densely packed with everything you need to know about the upcoming bull run. And with that, let's jump into the daily analysis. We're trading Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus well money flow, and trades in favor indicators with a special guest feature from the breakout detector. Now, before we dive into those indicator readings, I want to show you something a little bit different. The chart you're seeing right now is the US dollar index and Bitcoin USD trading on Coinbase. Both of these are on the 1-day time frame. Now, what you're going to notice is the prices between these two assets are inversely correlated. When the price of the dollar is increasing, Bitcoin generally decreases. As the price of the US dollar itself decreases, Bitcoin increases. What you're going to notice today is a massive green candle, and most often when you see this, this is going to correlate to a sharp drop. Right here, saw very fast moves down in the price of Bitcoin, but we are not seeing that today. Right now, despite the fact that the dollar is increasing significantly, Bitcoin is staying the same. What likely causes this, heading back to the Bitcoin video page here, is the fact that whale money has not yet moved out of the market. You can see here, April 10th is when that drop happened, when we last saw an insanely sharp move up in the dollar index. And at the same time, whale money moved out of the market quickly, dropping the price of Bitcoin. We still have yet to see it. Now, that's not to say they won't make that happen. It's still very possible they're going to drop the price. We see a little bit of a tick down, but if whale money drops, especially as we're testing structure support, we see trades in favor with a 70% chance of a drop. We see breakout detector in the breakout zone. Big moves should be incoming and everything is pointing bearish. So if whale money does move out of the market, this is where we're likely to see drops. Worst case scenario, this is very temporary in my mind. I think we could maybe drop to structure support. Let me pull a support structure here to around the $65,523 mark. Not scary at all. This just presents another buy opportunity for Bitcoin. And we're going to set some alerts for this. Bitcoin USD, switching to the trades in favor, switch it to a watch for pump, once per bar close, and name it. Bitcoin 1-day watch for pump, go ahead and click create. And this is the only one we're going to set for now. But once it loads, there it is. This alert is going to let you know as soon as we drop into the long trade zone. I expect that to happen as we touch this structure support, just as we did right back here. If we get a drop into the long trade zone, this is likely where we're going to see Bitcoin bounce. Now, the other perspective I want to talk to you about is the possibility of a short squeeze. If this happens and we get a short squeeze above the current resistance, where everyone is expecting massive drops, especially with the DXY pumping as it is, if whale money moves into the market, this is going to cause liquidations of anyone taking short trades at this level. This would take away any bearish sentiment, any bearish and downward pressure would leave the market, and it would allow the price to skyrocket, easily testing or even breaking the all-time high of $73,835. In order for this to happen, we need to see whale money to continue increasing. At the current point, we're only at a value of about 64. This indicator goes up to a level of about 100. Plenty of room to still move up, and this is partially why a move up from whales is absolutely still in the cards. No matter what happens, big moves are incoming. And I think part of the reason we haven't seen a lot of volatility recently is due to the fact that the FOMC meeting is coming up on June 11th and 12th. Economists are actually expecting a possible rate reduction, a drop in the current interest rates for the first time in quite a while. Now, there's a lot of mixed opinions about what this could do to the crypto market, but personally, I think whales are just holding out until we find out for sure. We'll talk about what the implications of a rate drop would be in future videos. So be sure to subscribe and we'll keep you updated there. Now, I know there's not a lot of definitive data. I don't want to give you a certain direction one way or the other because I just feel that would be dishonest. No one really knows what's going to happen. Technical analysis is bearish except for the fact that the dollar index is not causing a drop in Bitcoin and whales are staying even where they are. I think it's going to be important to track this indicator here, the price versus whale money flow. If you see this drop, expect really sharp drops to the downside. If you see this begin to increase over this weekend, expect really sharp increases in price. Now, before we end this video, there's a couple more points of data that I want to walk you through. Bitcoin metrics on the tradeconfident.io website, Bitcoin emotional index here as we move to the live charts, shows that we are in excited territory. Most often, a reading in either excited or greedy will result in drops. Whales like to take advantage of retail excitement as the price increases and sell off using them as exit liquidity. As the price drops and retail emotions fall back into anxious or fearful, this is where whales are likely to buy back in, once again, taking advantage of the retail traders. So for now, this is bearish, but if you see whale money pump, on this chart over here, whale money moves into the market. It's not until we see a blue line in greedy territory here that I really expect those moves down. Lastly, the Bitcoin dollar cost average entry exit options. We recently got a red bar here, and I know this might sound scary, but if you look into the previous history of Bitcoin, these red lines have resulted in massive short squeezes, bringing the price of Bitcoin to where we're at today. So this is something we need to keep in mind. This could actually be a short squeeze in the making. With all of that in mind, members, check out our brand new future forecast posted today. Crucial information that you need to know about as soon as possible. Check out our new trade setups posted this week. Be sure to stay updated with all 40 coins worth of live metrics on our website. Check out our Morning Brew overviews. Join us for our Inner Circle live Zoom hangout later this month. And if you don't have them yet, you can get massive discounts on our indicators here, totaling up to $550 off. It's actually going to be much cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. Guys, do not miss this next move. Watch the price versus whale money flow very carefully. And if you haven't yet, set alerts for the long trade zone here on the trades in favor. Links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. Membership is the first link, and it's going to bring you to our membership page. Full access, $65 a month, and everything I just showed you and more is yours. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and once you have your membership, click the second link for the indicator page. Scroll down to the Pro Indicator Pack. Members, your first $150 off can be found with the coupon codes at this link. Once you have that, click Pro Indicator Pack. Go ahead and scroll down. Click I want this. Throw in that membership code. Fill in your information. Click Pay, and it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you a full $550 discount. Go ahead and click Add to Cart. Follow the prompts, and we are so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the membership for that brand new future forecast episode. Don't miss out.